Dear student, class 10 English version. Today I will discuss rest of the lecture of chapter 13, the financial system of Government of Bangladesh and bank. The conception of bank. Bank is an organization to keep deposit of money of the people and disburse various term loans of the borrowers. The role of bank in economic development is important. People keep their income or surplus money in bank for safety. Here is a question: why do people keep their money in bank? For safety. People also get interest from some deposit. Bank gives this money deposited by the people to entrepreneurs, producers, businessmen and debtors as loan and collects interest on this type of loan. The interest which is given on the deposit money by the bank is less than the interest it collects from the borrowers. The difference of interest rate is the profit of bank. Banks survive. This is very important for your MCQ. Banks survive mainly on the basis of this profit. As a result, bank is called the trader of loans. The classification of banks are classified into three types. How many types? Three types, mainly on the basis of objectives and function. The central bank has three parts: central bank, the commercial bank, the specialist financial organization. Central bank. The central bank is the largest financial organization of a country. This bank supervises and controls the money market and monetary system and other banks of the country, since it controls the overall banking system of the country. Its name, central bank. The central bank is the only organization authorized to introduce paper currency. So we learned central bank introduced the paper currency. The name of the Central Bank of Bangladesh is called Bangladesh Bank. This bank works also as the representative of the government as the financial advisor. Commercial bank. The commercial bank gives short-term loan for the purpose of commercial profit. There are many commercial banks in Bangladesh such as Sonali Bank, Janata Bank, the Agrani Bank, the Rupali Bank, Uttara Bank, Pubali Bank, the National, the City Bank and Islami Bank. The specialist function financial organizations. Some banks have been established in our country for attaining special objectives. These banks are called specialist financial organizations, such as Shilpa Bank for the development of industry, Krishi Bank for the development of agriculture, the House Building Finance Corporation for sanctioning house building loans, the Cooperative Bank for sanctioning loans in cooperative activity and developing cooperative attitude in the people, and the Grameen Bank is a private bank for providing microcredit to the poor people. The function of commercial bank. The role of commercial bank is important in the economy. The life of business and trade is this commercial bank. These types of bank assist in economic development by conducting various type of organization. One of the main objective of a commercial bank is to receive deposit. Three type of deposit we know: current, saving and fixed deposit. Deposited money of current deposit can be withdrawn anytime. The bank does not give any interest. This account called current account. Money can be drawn once or twice a week from the saving deposit. This account's name saving deposit. For this, the bank gives small interest to the depositor, and the deposit which can be withdrawn after a expiry of a specified period of time is called fixed deposit. The depositor is given interest at a high rate for fixed deposit. Loan disbursement is another important function of the commercial bank. keeping a fixed part of the money collected from the money. It gives the rest of the money to businessmen industrialized as loan. In case of loan disbursement, the bank generally operates this program by keeping valuable asset as the mortgage. We know when a businessman or industrialist want to get a lot of amount of money from bank, they have to mortgage their property. One of the duties of commercial bank is to create the medium of exchange, though the authority of introducing paper notes is possessed only by the central bank. The commercial bank create media of exchange like check, bank draft, hundi, travelers check. In the developed country, most of the transactions are accomplished with the help of such exchange. Another important function of commercial bank is to cash bill of exchange on settling discount. If money is needed before the time expired, the owner of hundi can get cash money by exchanging the hundi from the commercial bank. The bank earns a huge amount of profit in this work. The commercial bank helps in settling the dues of buyers and sellers in case of internal and foreign trades. Actually, they plays an important role for this area. Most of the activities of international traders are done via commercial banks. Commercial bank transfer money safely and rapidly. This bank helps people to transfer money easily from one place to another by check, bank draft, pay order, traveler check, telegraphic transfer, TT. It's called TT. Besides doing the works mentioned above, the commercial bank accomplish more functions for the convenience of their clients as their representative. For example, they buy and sell bonds, stock, share, debenture, assist their customers in paying house rent, income tax. Nowadays, people paying their house rent, income tax, premium of insurance through the bank. The function of central bank: introducing paper currency and keeping the monetary system of the country stable are the important function of the central bank. The currency introduced by the central bank is the identified currency. The currency introduced by the central bank is called the identified currency. The responsibility of keeping the internal and external value of currency stable is vested on the central bank. The central bank is mainly the bank of the government. As the representative of the government, it collects dues of government from various sources of pays the liabilities of the government in various sectors without cost. The central bank calculates the internal and external loans of the government and performs the responsibility of management. This bank keeps the deposit of the government money without interest in case of necessity. It gives loan to the government, gives advice regarding financial affairs. The central bank is the bank of others bank. It's very important for your CQB number question. Other banks have to deposit a specified portion of their capital in the why central bank is called the others bank, because others bank have to deposit a specified portion of their capital in the central bank. By reducing or increasing the amount of this deposit, the central bank can control the loan giving ability of commercial bank to a great extent. Central bank, one of the main function of the central bank is to control loan. Loans gives by the commercial bank are included in the total supply of currency of the country. If the total amount of money increase due to the formation of additional loan, inflation may appears in the country. The the central bank tries to maintain stability. Inflation, what do you mean by inflation? Inflation means money is more but supply is very less in the market. By making equality between the demand and supply of the total currency of the country, this bank undertakes various steps to control loan to avoid square currency and inflation. When the commercial banks face financial crisis and fail to get loan from any source, they are compelled to seek protection to the central bank. In such circumstance, the central bank saves the commercial bank for financial crisis by giving loan. Who saves the commercial bank? Actually, central bank saves the commercial bank. Commercial bank. This bank, for this reason, the central bank is called the borrower of the last phase. The central bank performs duty as the clearing house of the mutual dues among various banks. As a result of the transaction of check regarding daily trade, dues and liabilities are created among the commercial banks. Central bank settles interbank dues and liabilities among various banks through check. Central bank maintains the specific exchange rate of the currency of the country with the currency of other countries. For this purpose, central bank purchases and sells foreign currency. The central bank works in various affairs such as conducting research for the economic development of the. Actually, these are the central bank's activities: collecting necessary information, assisting in formulating the budget. Except the above mentioned function, the central bank performs some other function. For example, works as the representative of the International Monetary Fund (IMF) and World Bank in their respective countries. The central bank preserves gold, silver, valuable metals, and armed foreign currency. The role of various banks: poverty alleviation and self-employment. Self-employment means being. What do you mean by self-employment? Self-employment means being engaged independently in the field of production or in income generating process through initiative with a view to being free from the curse of unemployment by an active person willing to do work. Every year, around 20 to 25 lakhs of new eligible people enter the. How many people enter the labor market of Bangladesh? 20 to 25 lakh. Various banks are playing important role in creating employment of these people. Poverty alleviation, like Bangladesh Krishi Bank. After the achievement of liberation, Bangladesh Krishi Bank was formed, taking all the assets and liabilities of the former Agriculture Development Bank situated in Bangladesh. This bank has important role in poverty alleviation and creation of employment. Bangladesh Krishi Bank gives short-term, medium, long-term loans to the farmers for exchanging agriculture production. Krishi Bank gives loans for various purposes like purchasing cattle, seed, fertilizer, agriculture instrument, installation of power-driven pump, deep and shallow pumps for irrigation. At present, beside agricultural works, this bank also given loan for poultry and livestock growing, fishery, sericulture, fruit cultivation, flower cultivation, and for cottage industry. In addition to Bangladesh, Krishi Bank, Sonali Bank, Agrani Bank, Janata Bank, Rajshahi Krishi Unnayan Bank, Rupali Bank have included microcredit program with proper importance in their respective agriculture and rural loan program to eradicate poverty through self-employment and income-generating activities. Minimum 25% of the annual loan disbursement target in agriculture. What is the percentage? To 25%, and rural development heads of those banks. And financial organization are reserved for poverty alleviation. This loan is supplied through various organizations, including private organizations. Grameen Bank, one of the private bank. Grameen Bank has emerged in Bangladesh as an exceptional bank. It is a specialist financial organization for giving loan to the landless rural men and women. Grameen Bank gives banking facility to the poor. Poor people actually, their target people is poor people and women of Bangladesh without security. This bank provide money, provide microcredit without security. The advancement of the bank started with a vow of protect the poor people from the exploitation of rural money lenders. This bank is playing an extended role to create scope for self-employment for the vast unemployed rural population. So we close my lecture. I close my lecture and read properly and stay home and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.